Ready to grow something delicious and nutritious in your backyard? Let's focus on one of the healthiest veggies you can plant, broccoli. Broccoli is packed with essential vitamins and minerals and is easy to grow. This green powerhouse is loaded with vitamins C, K, and A, plus fiber and antioxidants. Homegrown broccoli tastes unmatched. Let's dive into the steps to get started. Picking the right broccoli is important, especially for beginners. The first step in your broccoli journey is to understand the different varieties available. Each type of broccoli has its own unique characteristics, growth habits, and flavor profiles. By choosing the right variety, you can ensure a successful and enjoyable gardening experience. Look for varieties like Waltham or Blue Wind. These varieties are particularly well suited for beginners because they are hardy and relatively easy to grow. Waltham is known for its cold tolerance and produces large, flavorful heads. Blue Wind matures quickly and is resistant to common pests and diseases, making it a reliable choice for new gardeners. They're known for being easy to grow. These varieties are forgiving and can thrive in a range of conditions, which is perfect for those who are just starting out. When planting your broccoli, make sure to give them plenty of space to grow and access to sunlight. Regular watering and occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer will help them flourish. Don't be afraid to ask for help at your local garden center. The staff there can provide valuable advice on the best varieties for your region and tips on how to care for your plants. They can also help you troubleshoot any issues you might encounter along the way. Building a relationship with your local garden center can be a great resource for ongoing support and guidance. Think of choosing your broccoli variety like picking a new friend. You want to find one that matches your personality and gardening style. Some varieties might require more attention and care, while others are more low maintenance. Consider your own gardening habits and preferences when making your choice. You want one that's easygoing and fits in well. Just like a good friend, the right broccoli variety will bring joy and satisfaction to your gardening experience. Take your time to explore the different options and choose the one that feels right for you. These beginner-friendly varieties are like that. They are resilient and adaptable, making them a great choice for novice gardeners. With a little care and attention, you'll be able to enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious, homegrown broccoli. They'll thrive in your garden with just a little care. You can do this. Remember, gardening is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming a more confident and skilled gardener. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. Good soil is essential for happy broccoli plants. Before planting, loosen the soil. Add some compost. Compost is like food for your soil. It helps your broccoli grow big and strong. Imagine building a house. You need a strong foundation, right? Soil is the foundation for your broccoli. Taking the time to prepare it properly makes all the difference. Your broccoli will thank you. Plant your broccoli in raised beds or mounds. Mounds are like little hills. This helps with drainage. Broccoli doesn't like soggy roots. Mounds also warm up faster in the spring. Think of mounds as cozy little nests for your broccoli plants. They provide a comfortable and supportive environment. This planting technique encourages strong root development, leading to healthier plants. Give your broccoli plants enough space. They need room to grow. Space them about 18 inches apart. This prevents overcrowding and allows for good air circulation. Just like people, plants need their personal space. Giving your broccoli plants enough room is like giving them space to stretch out their arms and soak up the sunshine. Broccoli needs consistent watering. Water deeply but don't overwater. Stick your finger in the soil to check for moisture. If it's dry an inch down, it's time to water. Water is like a refreshing drink for your broccoli plants. It helps them stay hydrated and strong, especially during hot summer days. Regular watering ensures that your broccoli gets the moisture it needs to thrive. Add mulch around your broccoli plants. Mulch helps retain moisture. It also helps prevent weeds. Straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves make great mulch. Think of mulch as a cozy blanket for your broccoli plants. It helps keep the soil cool and moist just the way broccoli likes it. Plus, it helps keep those pesky weeds away. Harvest your broccoli when the heads are tight and green. Use a sharp knife to cut the stalk. Don't pull it out. You can often get side shoots after harvesting the main head. Harvesting your broccoli is like opening a present. It's the culmination of your hard work and dedication. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor the delicious taste of homegrown broccoli. Congratulations! You've learned how to boost your broccoli yield. This is no small feat. It takes dedication, patience, and a lot of love for your garden to reach this point. Your hard work has paid off, and now you can enjoy the fruits, or rather, the vegetables, of your labor. Look at those beautiful, thriving broccoli plants. They are a testament to your commitment and care. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best in your garden. Every garden is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Try different planting techniques, experiment with various types of soil, and don't hesitate to mix in other vegetables. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn about what your garden needs to thrive. Remember, gardening is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Gardening is a journey of learning and growth. It's a process that requires patience and perseverance. Watching your garden grow from tiny seeds to flourishing plants is incredibly rewarding. Each stage of growth brings new challenges and new opportunities to learn. Embrace these moments, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are all part of the learning process. Remember, gardening is about more than just the harvest. It's about the entire experience, from planting the seeds to nurturing the plants to finally harvesting the produce. It's about the satisfaction of seeing your hard work come to fruition. It's about the joy of working with your hands and connecting with the earth. And it's about the peace and tranquility that comes from spending time in nature. It's about connecting with nature, getting your hands dirty, and experiencing the joy of growing your food. Gardening can be a solitary activity, but it can also be a wonderful way to bring people together. Share your garden with family and friends. Teach your children the joys of gardening. There's something incredibly fulfilling about working together to create something beautiful and bountiful. So get out there, plant some broccoli, and watch your garden flourish. The journey doesn't end here. There's always more to learn, more to grow, and more to enjoy. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Your garden is a reflection of your hard work and dedication. Celebrate your successes, learn from your challenges, and continue to nurture your love for gardening. Happy gardening!